The other thing people don't know is about this device, which I had never seen. Looks like something a hockey player would wear, and it can save your life.
Yeah,
Most guys I talk to, they say, oh, you got to have that hockey thing with the hoses and the air up your nose and all that, CPAP, which can be very effective, but it's not the only option.
CPAP is the number one option for severe sleep apnea. You stop breathing more than 30 times an hour, you need a CPAP. If you're less than 30 times an hour, which most of the public is, you need an oral appliance.
How does a CPAP work?
It goes over your nose or over your whole face and blows air up your nose and opens up your airway, gets air down into the lungs.
What's it like sleeping next to someone who's wearing this? Scary. You wake up in the middle of the night, you think you're having a nightmare.
Well, the big problem is sometimes when you go sideways, it comes off and then the air goes out the side and wakes up the bed partner, but doesn't wake up the one with the CPAP. But it is a life-saving deal for people who are severe sleep apnea because they feel so good. I mean, if a patient is so tired that they can't even function, their memory's gone, they're depressed, and they get headaches, and all of a sudden they put this on, they feel like they're born again.
I knew I had a sleep issue. I put off finding a solution because that thing scared me. And then I hear your ads on our radio station talking about some kind of mouth device.
Yeah.
And here
there
it is.
Yeah. So that little appliance there just moves the jaw forward. Just holds the jaw forward. When the patient wears that, it keeps the tongue forward and the jaw forward and keeps the airway open. You need to keep the airway open, either with a CPAP blowing air in the nose, but actually most patients prefer this. And if they're not severe, they can wear this. I've even helped some severe patients with this. But the first option, CPAP, second option is this.
So basically the problem, why snoring is such a serious issue, it deprives you of oxygen.
Correct.
Oxygen is life. You don't have oxygen, you don't live.